Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet women shoes designs model. Crochet shoes designs for women can range from casual to chic, with various styles to fit different tastes and occasions. Here are a few popular types. Crochet slippers. These are perfect for indoor use, made with soft yarn for comfort. They can be crafted to have a snug fit or a more relaxed moccasin or slipper style. Crochet sandals. These are great for warmer weather and can be made with lighter yarns or even incorporating elements like ribbons or elastic straps to enhance fit and add a fashionable touch. Sole can be crocheted or attached pre-made rubber soles for durability. Crochet boots. For cooler weather, crochet boots can be a stylish addition to a wardrobe. They are often lined with a soft material and can have a crocheted outer layer that showcases intricate patterns. When designing crochet shoes for women, it is essential to consider not only the style and aesthetics, but also comfort and functionality. Use appropriate yarn types, considering sole materials and thinking about the season, and US will help in crafting the perfect crochet shoe. Here are some tips to help you when designing and creating crochet shoes for women. Choose the right yarn. Use a durable and washable yarn. Cotton or a cotton blend is often a good choice for its durability and breathability. For warmer shoes, wool or a wool blend can offer more warmth. Consider the sole for slippers intended for indoor use. A simple crochet sole may suffice. However, for outdoor shoes, you will need something sturdier. You can buy pre-made soles or make your own using materials like leather or thick rubber. Adding a non-slip layer or using puff paint on the bottoms can prevent slipping. Ensure a good fit. Make sure to take accurate measurements of the foot, paying special attention to the width and the arch. Since crochet can stress, consider making the shoe slightly snugger than the actual foot size to ensure a good fit over time. Reinforce stress points. Areas like the heel or toe can experience more wear. Reinforce these areas by using a tighter stitch pattern or doubling the yarn. Experiment with patterns and colors. Crochet allows for a lot of creative expression. Experiment with different crochet stitches, like single crochet for tighter fabric or decorative stitches for flare. Color combination and embellishments like beads, flowers, and buttons. Finishing touches. Always finish your project neatly. Open in securely and consider lining your shoes with a soft fabric to give them a professional look and feel. These tips should help you create both beautiful and functional crochet shoes that will be loved and used with joy. Happy crocheting!